Hello everybody, this is Tisha Copeland at Not Your Mama's Quilt Store, and I'm going to show you how to use that needle threader on your sewing machine. Almost everybody that comes to take a class with us will say yes, they have a needle threader on their sewing machine. No, they don't know how to use it. So I'm going to show you a couple of things to show you how to use it. First thing to show you is that there is normally a little lever right here. This little lever, when you push it down, is going to push down and pull the little mechanism forward that you need for it to thread the needle. If you look really close, you can see that the eye of the needle is right here, okay? And you can see that right here there's a little tiny hook. So I'm going to set my phone down so that I can show you up close what I am talking about. There is a little tiny hook. Let's see if I can get it just where I need it to show you. Oops. Can you see, stay there. Can you see this little tiny hook in there? It's right between these two arms. It's a little tiny one like that. That is what actually has to go through the eye of the needle. Now there's another little hook right here, and that's going to allow me to put my thread right over there to hold it. I'm going to push this down gently, and I'm going to go ahead and push it all the way through until that little hook comes in. Go underneath. Do you see this? Go underneath. I came unhooked over here. Right in between the two little arms, go underneath that little hook and kind of hold it up and out of the way. Then gently let your finger come through, and now it has threaded your needle. Here it is right here. I have to try not to put my big old clunky fingers in the way. And now I can go ahead and pull it through. So let me show you one more time how to do this, because let's try to do it one more time. There's that little hook. See it? And go right in there. Now, get right underneath that little hook, and then I'm going to hold this kind of to the back and let it come through. And now I've got it threaded. Yay! I hope you're able to do this on your own.